I don't get it. Wasn't he the one they said was finished?
Finished? No. They mistook silence for defeat. He was sharpening in the dark. Now he walks like a prophecy fulfilled. Is what happens when you push the wrong soul too far. They wanted his end. Instead, he became the end of them.
I wasn't supposed to survive. I wasn't meant to crawl out of that fire. They lit it with smiles on their faces, handed each other the matches, and watched me burn like I was nothing. They thought I'd turn to ash, that I'd vanish like smoke in the wind. Quiet, forgotten, erased. That was the plan, wasn't it? To make sure I never rose again. But I did. They fed on my pain,